Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So this is our series of YouTube creators in which we have demonstrated that how we can keep and watch on our YouTube analytics and the channel analytics and make the graph and telling you the performance, and this is telling you the subscribers as well. So your subscriber target was 1,000 and it is almost reached. So let me show you the screen here. Yeah, this is our 999. Okay, so just one shot of our milestone of 1,000 subscribers. So I hope it will hit the target right now. So let's wait. So we are waiting for this figure to hit the target. The milestone is 1,000 for our channel monetization criteria as stipulated by the YouTube. And let's see. And this is the 1,000 touchdown or touch up. So we are now qualified with the criteria. And as you know, the criteria, as mentioned in the YouTube, you can see in the other page here that there were two criteria, and all both the criteria how to join here have been reached. The first one was the 1,000 subscriber, so it has just reached, and the other one was the 4,000 watch time, so we have already exceeded it. So all these ticks are now ready. Now we are expecting an email from YouTube. So because they said that they will generate an email informing us that you have qualified. So this is our analytics. Let's go to the analytics. This is our graph. Yeah, so quite fine. And we can go to see the countries, their geographical position, right? So many users located in the diversified locations. You know, if we make it lifetime, let's make it lifetime. So all the number of countries are listed here. Thank you very much. And thank you very much for everyone who has supported. My humble thanks to you, as the call of Azan is also here. And we are now going to offer the thankful prayers to Allah Almighty. And thank you very much for everyone who has supported my channel. Thank you very much.
شرف الحمد لله الذي بعزته وجلاله تتم الصالحات. فاتح.
चलो अबू बात चलो बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम.
Thank you very much. Thank you everyone for your support.